How to add to reading list in Safari on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Safari application on your iPhone. Now, search for the website apple.com. Here, tap on the three dots icon at the bottom right of the screen. A menu will appear with several options, and from this list, tap on Share. This opens the Share sheet. Now, tap on Add to Reading List as shown. You can now see the webpage you have just saved, listed at the top of your reading list. This feature saves articles and web pages for you to read later. It also makes them available for offline viewing, even without an internet connection. Following these steps, you can easily add to the reading list in Safari on an iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.